Guten Morgen. So today we're going to make another salad dressing. Last time we made a yogurt based dressing. Today we are making a vinaigrette based dressing. So here we have a green salad ready made with some rocket, some cherry tomatoes, red bell pepper, some cucumber. Yeah. So now, this is what we're gonna need. We start with some salt, pinch of salt. This is crushed garlic, some crushed garlic. This is some Dijon mustard. Only need just like that, not a lot. That's enough. The mustard, we use olive oil. I'm going to use about, let's say, 2 cups of olive oil. 1, 2. And then we add in 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Should be enough. Finally, some black pepper. That's enough. And then we mix that in. After mixing it up, we need the oil to completely emulsify. So for a shortcut, I just put it in a mixing bowl like this. And then close it up and shake. Just like that, you have your vinaigrette salad dressing. You can see the oil has mixed up and emulsified with the vinegar. That's good to go. Done.